underneath the Christmas tree. But if you believe in love, that will be more than enough for you to come and celebrate with me. For I have held the precious gift that love brings, even though I've never seen a Christmas star. But I know there is a light, I have felt it burn inside, and I have seen it shining from afar. Christmas is a time to come together, a time to put all differences aside. And I reach out my hand to the family of man to share the joy I feel at Christmas time. Oh, the truth that binds us all together. I would like to say a simple prayer, that at this special time you will have true peace of mind and love to last throughout